The Apple Vision Pro is here, and I've not been this excited to open up an Apple product since the M1 Orange iMac. Now, I haven't made any content around this product when it was announced back in June at WWDC, but if you know me, I was so excited when this thing was announced. And if you don't, go ahead and subscribe and get to know me a little bit more. But it's finally here. You know, there were skeptics saying that it wouldn't come out in early 2024, but here we have it. And everything about this product is absolutely exciting as well as unique, including the ordering process. Now, whether you decide to use your MacBook or actually visit an Apple store, you will need an iPhone or an iPad, a device that has Face ID, because you'll have to do 2 face scans. And yes, initially when I was ordering on pre-order day, I was panicking because I thought I was doing it wrong. But yes, 2 face scans, and that'll decide which light seal is right for you. For me, I'm a size 21 if that matters, but there's also options if you do have contact lenses. So hard contacts, soft contacts. If you wear hard contacts, you're disqualified for whatever reason, but you do have options for Zeiss lenses, and they will ask for your US prescription after you check out. Now, there's so much tech packed into this thing. Typically, when I do tech reviews, whether it's a MacBook, iPad, phone, I kind of know what to expect. There's only a few new features, but this is an absolutely brand new product, and I have no idea what to expect. This is absolutely something I've never experienced. I've never done spatial computing, AR, VR. I've never had anything on my head until today. So let's go ahead and get started with this unboxing. And this is just such a clean box all the way around. We have pull tabs with a little orange logo, so I absolutely, obviously love that. And yeah, the box is really clean. Like any Apple product, I'm expecting a very clean experience. So let's go ahead and just start ripping this open. Pull. Oh yeah, oh, you even gave me a little snap back there. That's cute. And let's get the second side. It's like a big shoe box. And yeah. Oh God, I'm so nervous. Oh my. Oh, oh. All right. You're looking at it before I am. Oh my God. It's just floating in midair. It smells so good. It does. It has a smell. Lift her up. Okay, well, set her off to the side. Okay, so it floats like that. Again, totally new experience. Phones, you know what you're gonna get. And everything is very white and silver, which is my aesthetic. We don't need a space gray version. Oh, we have the nice young lady. You know, I really hope they've been compensating her because she is everywhere, absolutely everywhere. We have 2 band options. So you have the solo knit band as well as the dual loop band. So let's see. Oh, here we go. We have our dual loop bands and we have our battery. Okay. I wonder how this compares with the size of an iPhone. Okay, so it's a tad bit smaller than the size of an iPhone 15 Pro. Definitely heavier, but just a tad bit smaller and obviously a little thicker here if you're curious of how it's gonna fit in your pants, because, you know, you have to put it somewhere. I could see this weighing your pants down. Okay, you get 2 to maybe 3 hours of battery life depending on what you're doing. I don't think there's an off mode, which I don't know why Apple just doesn't let us turn things off to save battery. So you'll have to detach, and you have a 30 watts power brick. 30 watt, maybe I should have had a little more wattage there, Apple, but we'll take 30 watts. And we oh, this is the light seal. So you can share this device with a partner, friend, family, but you might need to get a different light seal to fit them. There is a guest mode. However, only 1 Apple ID could be registered to the actual device. And we have our polishing cloth. This guy has gotten lots of attention, and it's different than the other polishing cloth. And you have, it even tells you, and there is no Apple sticker. Out of all things, there's no Apple sticker. We get a nice fancy booklet, we get a fancy polishing cloth, but not a single Apple sticker. And this is everything that your $3,500 is gonna get you. Again, that's gonna be for the base configuration. There's different storages. I don't really know how this is gonna handle storage for spatial computing. Are we gonna really have to rely on iCloud? I don't actually know, but this is what we get. Before we actually jump into the headset, we'll start to open this up, sold separately carrying case, which of course you gotta protect it. I also very curious of how the airlines are gonna treat this And it is soft and squishy, so if you do want to rest on it on an airline, if you're on a flight, I don't see why not. There's enough little squishiness for your head. It is hard at the same time. Let's go ahead and open it. I don't know how airlines are going to treat Vision Pro. Are you going to have to put it away when they say, please put away your large electronics? Because it is a computer after all, right? So we have a little strap here. So this appears to be where we put our battery. Ooh, this is also, aside from it having an additional smell, it's squishy. It's squishy. It's nice. And imagine if we got an Apple sticker in this guy. No Apple sticker. And here we have more stuff. Pouch where we put all of our goodies. Cool. And do not eat these. Okay, let's see how it fits. Let's see how it fits. Slide it in. I don't think we need the additional light seal, but you could put some cords, power brick, and there you go. That's how you would pack up your Apple Vision Pro. It would have been nice if it had a little strap because you're gonna have to walk around the airport like that. So it's really weird. And will this count as your carry-on item? Ooh, I hope not, because it's gonna be hard for this guy to fit in an actual backpack. But we're gonna see how the airlines have to adapt. But I think the time is here to actually open up the Vision Pro. And okay, so first initial impressions as far as weight, I mean, yeah, maybe a little bit. And there is a cover to remove to protect all of the glass, which we have not seen together. This is very soft as well. I love the little orange tones, these little orange accents. So we want to remove the cover. Okay. Oh my God. Oh, it's so shiny. I could see myself. Okay. Let's try this on. So this is the solo knit loop, not the dual. I hope you don't mind having, how do I look? You're seeing me for the first time. Okay, so it's definitely front heavy here. Okay. If you tuck it behind your ears just right, it gets a little bit. I don't know if anything I'm doing is normal, but okay, so we loosen it up. Hope you don't like having nice hair because that's not gonna matter. And let's go ahead and try on the dual. So you just boop, unplug it. That's it. Loosen it up. Okay, I will say everything about this dual loop band definitely feels better on the head. Absolutely. I know it probably doesn't look as pretty as the solo knit band, but this absolutely feels better on the head. I can't think of anything else left to do than to actually try on Vision Pro. Again, never reviewed this, so this is just unboxing. You'll get to see my first impressions as things start to happen in my eyes. That is the reason why I don't review headphones or things like that, because I can't really share what the true experience, listening experience is. Now, this is a visual experience that I won't be able to share. I hope they put some juice in this battery and it's not empty here. And my hair must look absolutely crazy. Let's see. So far, I believe we're connected. There should be a light indicating, do you see the light, that it's powered on. I just don't know. It took a while. There it is. It took a little bit for this to wake up. Press and hold to align. All right, so it wants me to press these buttons, which I didn't even know there was a different button. There's an Apple logo. Oh, I can see. I didn't expect that. Okay, so it's hello. Oh my God, that is crazy. I don't know if the audio is gonna get this, but you could hear, those Apple-y sounds like the bring your iPhone or iPad nearby. Oh, can you see this? That's so cool. Set up Vision Pro, unlock to continue. How is it gonna unlock if I'm wearing these goggles? Face ID won't work. That's something to know, Apple. All right, time to set up my eyeballs and my fingers. Look at your hands. It's so crazy how dark it could make this room, and I have lots of lights going on. Okay, well, that was wild. Thank you guys so much for making it all the way to the end of this video. I can't wait to use this even more. And of course, I'll be documenting my journey with the Vision Pro here on the channel. So please consider subscribing, liking, commenting, all of those things. And until next time, see ya.